It's Lyndzee and Brooke from Tea for the Soul. And Brooke thinks I say things differently than she does.
Because she does.
And other people.
I'm not the only one that thinks this.
It's not true.
I mean,
I hear the same thing.
Anyway, so we're going to do a she said little video of words that I say normal and Lyndzee says
that I say
really
normal
strange.
and she doesn't hear correctly.
I have noticed though, anytime that I say things first and then she copies me, she says them normal. So she has to start out saying the word.
I think I grew up watching like too many mobster movies and I would just like start mimicking them, and the next day I'd go to school and I'd be like, how about it, pal? You know?
Mobster movies?
Yeah, I watched a lot of, yeah.
I think the only
like a Western, and I'd be like,
I think the only mobster movie I've seen is like the little snippet on Home Alone.
Or Zootopia.
Or that.
Ice them.
Kissing them things. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's so great. Okay, so you wanna
just start?
Here's the list.
She has a list for me.
But I feel like you need, you can't cheat and go to the next word. So you have to like say, just start with the top ones.
Okay, I'll do this. So I can't see.
Okay.
Okay.
Eggs.
I do notice you keep your head still when you talk, and I like.
It's like you get it from the back of your throat. You go. Eggs.
That's how I sound. Eggs. I do move my head though.
You do. It's like somebody that talks with their hands a lot. I need to hear this.
I do. Can I do that? Okay.
Hold your head still.
It's like you have my grocery list here. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, a lot of words on this list.
Mayonnaise.
It's like you say, it's like she says every letter in the word.
That's why the letters are there.
Mayonnaise.
I just enunciate.
Mayonnaise.
I feel like it's getting normal for you.
I'm in a hurry to get it out of my mouth. I love mayonnaise though. Okay.
Mayonnaise is great.
Eel.
And she's talking about ill like you're sick, ill.
Yeah, I'm ill. Like I can't come in, I'm ill.
This is how this started. This is how this idea started.
First, she was like, who says they're ill? And I was like,
because you said, because after you were sick.
Like, who wouldn't say you're just sick? And I was like, well, I feel like eel is like.
When I hear eel, I hear of the fish eel. Like on The Little Mermaid, or what you eat it for sushi, eel, or like eel sauce. But when I hear ill, like I'm sick, ill, I hear ILL, ill. It didn't taste right, did it? Whatever you said it.
I bet eel doesn't taste right.
Ill. All right, moving on. We all know that she says it weird, so.
Now I'm thinking about how I say it. Like,
don't think about it.
Okay, well, for Christmas, I'll use it in a sentence. For Christmas, Sailor got crayons and coloring books. Look at it.
Crayon. It's a crayon.
Crayon.
So you just say crayon.
Like cranberry?
See, I can't even say it.
Crayon.
People say
crayon. No, there's an N. Crayon.
Crayon.
I
know some people say crown, but I've never heard what you're saying.
Crown?
Yeah, people say crayon.
It goes on my head.
Crown. It's crayon. There's 2 syllables to that. You should be saying 2 syllables.
My syllables are faster than
crayon.
Yours. You're like crayon. I'm like crayon.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
root.
Let's get to the root of the problem.
Root. And this is root as in like a plant has roots.
I was saying like your hair root.
Or that. Or like a hair root.
Root. Like roots. Root. Do you say roots? Roots?
Yeah, there's roots. There's roots.
Root. It's a root. Root. I just say
like
say root beer. Root beer. Root.
You say it just like that? Like you do like that?
I'll take a large root beer. Root beer.
That makes sense.
Root beer. Salmon?
Okay. I say salmon.
Some people say salmon.
Some people say salmon or
salmon.
When I hear salmon, I think of like salmonella.
I used to say that,
salmon.
and then someone was like, the L is silent.
Okay, so we say that one normal.
Salmon.
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 Okay, that one's pretty across the board. Okay.
Almond.
Almond.
You really get that D on there, don't ya? Almond. Did you go to like a prep school or something?
Definitely not. Small town.
Almond.
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 So wait, how do you say almond?
Almond?
You don't even pronunciate the D at the end of the word?
I thought it was silent like the L in salmon.
It's on the end of the word.
Almond.
I think it needs to be said. Almond.
Did you grow up singing? I know in
in the shower.
the teachers would be like if the letter or ended with something, they'd make you say it. Almond. Okay.
Almond.
This is definitely a grocery list. Pecan.
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 Some people say pecan. Or pecan.
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 I had like pecan trees in the yard as a kid.
Yeah.
So, pecan.
Pecan. Okay, that one's wrong.
Okay. Again. Route 66.
It is route.
It is a route.
It is a route. Okay. So I'm taking the route to work.
I grew up on Route 66.
I grew up near Route 66.
It runs right through my town. We have paintings all over my hometown of the Route 66 highway sign. It is route.
Route.
That's
one that's going to create an argument.
No. That is like what route are you taking?
Exactly. What route are you taking? That is.
But those aren't the same words.
No. That is the same word. Route?
That's like can and can.
What?
Like I can do it, or I like a can of soup.
It
looks the same, but it sounds different because those words sound the same. But that's just different. Route. Route 66. It sounds like you don't live on Route 66 is what it sounds like. Okay. A tourist.
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 Tourist. Tourist.
Tourist.
Tourist. Do you show up and you're like,
see what
I'm a tourist. Tell me where I'm going.
I'm a tourist today. Can you help me, please?
I'm a tourist. I would like to go on this tour.
I feel like
because I'm a tourist.
Whenever I say words the way you say words, I definitely move my head. But whenever I say words the normal way to say words, I don't. I say tourist.
Okay, when I look at the word tourist, I think of I'm not from here. I would like to go on a tour, which is the beginning of the word tourist.
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 So how do you say? I say tour.
You say tour. It's like your.
How do you say tour?
Tour. Like I tore the paper. Tour. I like to go on this tour.
Or you could say tour.
Tour.
Tourist.
Tour.
That reminds me of what's his name?
Steve
Carroll in the Panther movies. Hamburger.
Do you remember Hamburger?
When he was trying to say hamburger.
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 Tour.
Anyways, next.
If you could vote below in the comments.
Yeah, you should vote. You should vote.
Brooke's
is correct
Brooke's
on these words.
Tourist or Lynzee's tourist.
Tourist.
You just really get that you.
Yeah,
you
it's
are
in there. It's spelled. It's
okay. What word is that?
Tour.
Okay, that's weird. Okay. A roof. Roof. You had to get on the roof to put lights on your house for Christmas.
I didn't, but somebody's gonna need to come get on the roof to take them down.
Roof.
It's like whenever a dog says woof, it's woof. Like roof.
What am I looking at?
That was maybe not the best example.
Rough. Okay. Well,
this is fun.
Tomato.
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 She says it's so proper. Tomato. Tomato. I just rush it.
You don't even, half the time you don't even say the last, like, letter. You say tomato. There's an O on the end of that, not an A.
Tomato.
Tomato. And sometimes when I'm not, like, thinking about it, or, like, thinking about how I'm going to say it, I say tomato. And then the T it's still there, but it's like,
Tomato.
Tomato.
Whatever. Let me just say, I flunked out of the spelling bee with the word banana. It was before Gwen Stefani.
I was about to say, Gwen Stefani taught me how to.
The song came out the next year. I probably would have gone out on the second round instead of the first round. Okay. Caramel.
That's normal. Okay. Caramel.
Okay. Sail. That's a song.
How do you say it? S-A-L-E.
Sail. Same way. Sail.
Okay, same.
It's the same word, right?
Yeah.
Sail.
Well, but they're just spelled differently, yeah. Sail. Some people say, like, sell for, like, a clothing sale, which we're having right now.
To sell.
Yeah. Sail. Okay, that one's pretty normal.
Pajamas.
I feel like you said that one weird, like, a couple months ago. Didn't you say pajamas or something like that? See, now you're starting to say things, and I feel like I'm starting to say them the way that you say them. Pajamas. I say both ways. I say pajamas and I say pajamas.
You say pajamas.
I do?
Yeah. I'm looking for some plaid pajamas.
I need, like, after you smell things first at, like, the Lyndzee,
Yeah.
and then they give you, like, the coffee beans to smell to, like, clear your palate. I feel like I need something to clear my palate.
Yeah. So just sing a little song for us real quick to clear your palate.
A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Okay. Kale.
Let it go. Okay. Kale. That's normal.
Yeah.
We're getting down to, like, some normal ones.
Garage.
What? What'd you say?
Garage.
Garage.
Would you like to go garage?
I headed that one. A garage.
Would you like to go garage shopping? That's what I'm weird. Garage.
I parked my car in the garage.
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 Garage. The camera just went. Garage. It's like Taj Mahal. So
It's like you're skipping the A. You're just going like garage.
No, it's garage. Okay. Iron.
I'm ironing my clothes today.
I'm ironing my clothes today. Iron. For lunch. Iron. Okay.
Iron.
Syrup. That's normal, right? Like,
I feel like that's normal.
the elf loves syrup.
Syrup. Yeah, that's pretty normal.
Potato. It's like tomato.
Potato.
You really get that over
I
there.
do. Potato.
Let's just be real though. Like, would you like mashed taters? Like,
Do you want some mashed potatoes?
would you like some mashed potatoes?
So you say you want some mashed taters?
I say potato. Would you like a mashed potato?
Do you
Baked potato,
like
mashed
a
potato.
mashed potato?
A mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Maybe it's because my cheeks are so chubby, like they get in the way of my like syllables.
I have chubby cheeks too, though. You know I do. I have a chubby face. Anyways. Envelope.
You don't say envelope?
It kind of depends on my mood.
Okay, envelope.
It's like the pajamas. Pajama. PJs. Envelope.
Really though, like who says pajamas? Like go get your jams on.
You say jams? Yeah, when I think of jams, I think of like
PJs, jams.
Or like jams, you put a jam on your toast.
Yeah, or like we just call it like a 90, even though like it's like when little girls, so it'd be like a pant top, like go get your 90 on.
We can say PJs. PJ time.
Night clothes.
PJs. Go get her. PJs.
Okay, last word, aunt.
Aunt. Yeah, I thought you said aunt.
Who says aunt? Aunt?
I don't know. Aunt.
That one's normal. Aunt.
I thought you said aunt. Auntie.
Aunt.
When I said auntie,
Aunt. I would Aunt George.
do people,
Her real name's like Georgiana or Georgiana.
do you say auntie at all ever? Say
No.
auntie? Ellie does.
Ellie does, but Ellie's not from Oklahoma.
That's true.
She's from Chicago, so maybe that's like a more like northern thing.
Chicago.
Auntie. Auntie Marge.
Auntie Ellie.
Okay, wait, what's your monster voice? Ooh, let's do these in monster.
You want to kiss my rings. You should get real edgy.
Okay.
And say these words and then
Eggs.
cut your throat.
Eggs.
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 Mayonnaise.
You've been real ill.
You've been real ill lately. I'm about to make you ill.
Root. Let's get to the root of the problem.
Let's get to the root of the problem.
Okay, gosh.
Bring me the salmon.
Okay. This is great. Legal.
Kiss your ends.
Kiss my hand.
Kiss my end. My rings. My rings.
Okay.
Need to be.
We're really getting off.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that is the end of the word.
Let us know in the comments, please. Like if Brooke said eggs right,
Or ill.
yes, if
That's
I
a given. That I
yes.
was
So
doing that
vote
right.
for me for eel.
Ill.
Eel. Anyways,
Also, comment below and
let us know if you're a tourist.
let us know what kind a tourist.
Tourist.
Let us know. Just give us a comment. Tell us how weird we are. That's fine too.
It's fine, but I just know that I said most of these correctly.
No, I definitely did.
I've been told I have an accent though. So maybe that
People with accents. Well, no. Okay. We both grew up in a very small town in Oklahoma. We're not that much different.
not that far from each other.
Not that far from each other. So like, I feel like we should be saying things the right way. She should be saying things how I say things.
In
but she
5th
doesn't.
grade, I had 12 kids in my class.
That's not the same. I graduated with like 119 people, I think.
Oh yeah, it was the same.
Yeah, so that's
okay,
great.
so both small towns
Yes, very small town.
in Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. We had fun. This was fun. I love getting made fun of by Brooke.
And I love her making fun of me too, so it's whatever. Alright, so let us know, ladies